Hello beautiful people, this is Nilam. Welcome to our channel Over the Rainbow. In today's video I am going to show you how to draw a girl with an umbrella in a garden. I will be using here Zentangle patterns and some doodle patterns. So let's start. Doodle and Zentangle both are very easy patterns. In doodle patterns and in Zentangle patterns, we don't have to think that what I should draw or what will be the design. I just draw whatever comes to my mind. Just keep drawing mindlessly. So, you should also practice this Zentangle pattern and this Mandala art, or you can say doodle art. Just take the pen or pencil and paper and just keep drawing. It's very easy art and it's stress relieving art, so you must try. As I have explained you about this in my previous videos also, that doodle can help us to stay focused, and it also helps us to creating new ideas and our thoughts. If you have not seen my previous videos, link is given here above. Please check out. When I was in the school, I was always doodling my name and flowers on the last page of my notebook. But I was not aware that there is some psychology behind that what we doodle when we are free and when we get bored and we just start drawing on our last page of the notebook or somewhere else. This doodle turns out what you draw, whether it's stars, flowers or something else, that could be reflective of certain personality. Like there is a psychology behind this doodling, that it shows our mood or our thoughts in our mind. Maybe many of you maybe doodled something on your last page of the notebook. Anything like eyes, stars or boxes or house. So mention it in the comment box that what you have drawn in your board lectures. Next video will be related to this, that what type of personality it shows, what you draw. So keep watching Over the Rainbow and give comments, give thumbs up and share my video with your friends. If you like my work, then please support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. Okay guys, stay home, stay safe. Keep watching Over the Rainbow. See you in the next video. Bye bye.